Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate database management with MongoDB, full guide step by step clearly. To begin automating database management with MongoDB, you first need to install MongoDB on your development environment. Visit the official MongoDB website and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions specific to your OS. Once installed, start the MongoDB server by executing the command mongod in your terminal or command prompt. Next, open another terminal window to access the MongoDB shell by typing mongo. Now that you have MongoDB running, create a new database for your project with the command use your database name. After creating the database, define your data structure using MongoDB documents in JSON-like format. To automate data insertion, you can use scripts written in JavaScript or Python. For JavaScript, create a new file named insertdata.js and write your insertion logic inside. To run the JavaScript file, use the command mongo your database name insertdata.js. For Python, ensure you have the pymongo package installed by running pip install pymongo. Create a new Python script named insert_data.py and import the necessary libraries. Use the Mongo client class to connect to your MongoDB instance. Now, define your database and collection within your Python script. Create a function to handle the data insertion process and include error handling for robustness. Next, set up a schedule to run your insertion script automatically. On Windows, this can be done using Task Scheduler. On Linux or macOS, you can use cron jobs to schedule your scripts. Another essential step in automation is monitoring your database performance. Integrate monitoring tools like MongoDB Atlas or Prometheus to keep track of key performance indicators. For backups, consider using MongoDB's built-in tools like MongoDump and MongoStore. Automate your backup strategy by writing a script to run these tools at regular intervals. Finally, review your entire setup regularly to ensure all automation tasks are running smoothly. With these steps completed, you'll be well on your way to automating your database management with MongoDB efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.